Hi. Hi there. I'm Isha, and this is my cat Simon. I'm now going to sing to him. Just gotta get emotionally ready. Well, I lost my mind in the middle of Toronto. I was spending nights at home for throttle. I was breaking your heart and breaking my heart. Revenge. You want it all? I feel just like I woke up in somebody else's skin. And who else is gonna remind you to take a picture of them? Well, they brought hearts and daggers, they wrote songs about you when they tied you up in the rungs of ladders. And you never ended up coming home, you just became something like some smoke that I tried too hard to hold. It's appropriate that my fucking dirty dishes are back there. And oh, when I awoke, everything had changed, you see. I left my home, returned something different. I was bleeding to death and beaten to death with regret. And nobody else can see it, but there's something underneath my skin. And I wish I could tell you I have the worst little dream, and they brought hearts and daggers, they wrote songs about you, and they tied you up in the rungs of ladders. And you never ended up coming home, you just became something like a dream. Fuck my ass, I got the line wrong. I'm gonna cry. And the black clouds came and darkened all our insides. There were newspaper clippings with horrible headlines. Two men despair and your name and my name saying, who will save you from the truth of the matter that your love, though like gold, it's gone. And they brought hearts and daggers, they wrote songs about you, and they tied you up in the rungs of ladders. And you never ended up coming home, you just became something like a dream I saw. When they wrote hearts and daggers, they wrote songs about you, and they tied you up and you hung from ladders. And you never ended up coming home, you just became something like some smoke that I tried too hard to hold. Whew. All right, that'll do it.